Hey, welcome to Scrapping It Up. I'm Vanessa, and welcome. We have been doing the Traveler's File Folder album here on this YouTube channel, and I wanted to come on here and show you guys how to attach your Tyvek to your album. Some of you may be using those cheaper file folders, and you may want to put Tyvek on it. You can get Tyvek in any office supply store. Sometimes you can find it at Walmart. You can get it on Amazon.com. I will put my Amazon link down below. If you want to go to Amazon and order it, I can earn a cup of coffee if you order from my link. Yes, it is an affiliate link. Yes, I earn maybe a cup of coffee. It's pretty small change, but it does help support my channel, so I can do tutorials like this for you guys, okay? And you don't pay any more for the product, okay? So, with that being said, even with the heavy-duty file folders, I mean, you may want to put Tyvek on your spine of your album. It's totally up to you, but I do want to show you how to do it, okay? So, you're going to need a piece of Tyvek that is 3.5 by 11. Okay, 3.5 by 11. I do not have this on the cutting guide, so grab your cutting guide and add this to your cutting guide if you're wanting to use Tyvek on your spine. Okay, so 3.5 by 11. We're going to score at the 1 inch mark. So score at 1 inch, 1 3/4 of an inch. Trying to hold this still. Yeah. It's a little bit different scoring with Tyvek. And then you want to score again at 2 1/2. Okay? 2 1/2. So 1 3/4, and 2 1/2. All right? And I'll put the measurements down below too. Now you're going to just fold on these score lines. Oops, that one already got off. Yeah, it's a little different with Tyvek. A little different. Jeez. Come on. There we go. Okay. Now fold on your other line and burnish. Fold on all 3 of your lines. There, that's the easiest way to do it instead of the way I was trying to do it. All right, so now you have your creases of your spine right here, okay? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to attach my score pile tape. Now on this, you want to make sure that you have your score pile tape covering the whole thing. You don't want to skimp on any of this. And I think I can get my crooked crap. That's what I get. That's what I get. You want the whole thing to be covered with, I need my inch. I don't have any. Just a second. All right. So you want end-to-end coverage of tape on this. You don't want to skimp any place on this. All right. Now that little place right there is going to be fine. My little edge that I don't have none. And then this one here, I'm just going to put 1/4 inch to as far as I can. And you can leave this white. You can ink it. You can even, they have black Tyvek. Okay. So you don't have to get white. I'll link you to the white, and then you can search around if you want black or something like that. It will still give me credit for it. But I know there's black out there. There's gold, silver. You can ink it. But just for the purposes of this, I'm just using the white. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take this one part off. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and line this up with this very first score line. Very first score line with the edge of my album. Okay, so then I'm just gonna follow it right along. Okay, I'm just following it right along. Yep, things are falling out. Yeah, we'll just set those aside. Okay, now I'm going right around my spine. Okay, just right. I'm going to push right against that edge of that spine, and then I'm going to curve. I'm keeping my fingers kind of like this, and I'm just going to curve, hold on here, and just kind of curve it right around. Okay, just like that. And my mark didn't fall right into my spine, but that's okay. Now, adding this is going to make your folder a little bit stiffer. Okay, I will tell you that. So you may have to work around trying to get it unstiffened again, because it will be stiffer now adding that. I've got to take off my other piece of tape. Okay, just make sure it's not hanging over the edge of your album. And like I said, it will stiffen up. So you're going to have to work. You're going to have to work your folder again, okay? Because it will stiffen up. So just kind of work it. See, I'm working this spine. Now I'm going to work this back one. You kind of have to retrain it. But I wanted to come on here and show you guys this, that you can do this, okay, to make these, because I know some of you don't have access to these heavyweight folders. You're using, you know, the lighter weight folders. Now, it's great for the pages, but for the spine of the album, it kind of hinders it. So I wanted to give you guys this option. So just kind of keep working with your album after you put your Tyvek on, okay? Just kind of keep working it, and it will all come out. And now your spine is reinforced with Tyvek. Ain't that awesome? Awesome possum. But I wanted to come on and show you guys this, that you guys can do this for your album to make them last a little bit longer. Okay? Okay, that's all I have for you guys. I hope you guys make this album. It's a wonderful file folder album. And, yeah, it's great. And I will tell you that I'm doing another file folder for National Scrapbook Day that is coming up, I think, next weekend, which would be May 4th. So, yes, another file folder, and I will show you guys exactly how to do it, like we just done the Traveler's File Folder album. So, yay, you guys get to learn another file folder. Okay, guys, let me know in the comments below. Yay for another file folder. We will be talking to you guys later. Okay, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.